Congratulations! You've received a unique treatment option only available from the Compounding Center. These new Budesonide Quick Dissolve tablets are designed to treat your sinus condition topically. Let us give you a few tips for using them in a nasal rinse. You'll be mixing your medicated tablet and a saline packet into distilled or boiled water, then rinsing your sinuses with the solution. Your medication contains budesonide, an anti-inflammatory ingredient. First, fill your bottle up to the line with 240 ml or 1 cup of distilled water, which can be purchased at the grocery store. Or you can boil the water at home, but do not use plain tap water. We do recommend that you warm the water first. This is more soothing to the sinuses and helps the tablet dissolve faster. Add 1 saline packet and any prescribed medication tablets to the water. Replace the cap on the bottle, hold your finger over the tip, and shake vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes until you see that the tablet is completely dissolved. When you are ready to irrigate, lean over a sink with your head slightly tilted forward. Insert the tip of the bottle into one side of the nose and squeeze, pushing approximately half the solution into the nose and sinuses. Allow the liquid to drain out and then repeat with the other side of the nose. You can gently blow your nose to clear any excess liquid. Here's a few other tips and pointers. If you notice some of the solution drains down your throat, it's okay, but you may want to gargle with water afterwards to rinse away any medicine taste. If you experience pressure in the ears while rinsing, try to squeeze the bottle more gently to reduce that pressure. If you're very congested, you may not notice much benefit at first, but keep at it. Over time, the rinse improves the inflammation and congestion. Most medications are prescribed for irrigation once or twice a day, but some patients may want to do additional irrigations with just the saline packet and water to help ease congestion. That's fine as long as you separate the plain irrigations from your medicated irrigations by at least 3 or 4 hours. Medications designed for nasal irrigation are pretty sensitive to moisture in the air. Be sure to keep them in the original closed container. Please note that our medicated nasal tablets do contain xylitol, which is great at breaking up bacterial biofilms associated with chronic sinus infections. But this ingredient is toxic to dogs. Please store your tablets out of reach of children and pets. We hope this has been helpful, but please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our pharmacists if you have any questions.